friends, I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel once again. Friends, I hope you all are excited today to learn this shortcut which I am going to tell you. So friends, what if someone asked you to find the angle between hour and minute hand of a clock when time is 5:30, 6:20, 7:30, or you can take any time as per you. And if someone asked you to find angle between the hands of a clock, then will you able to solve within 3 seconds? If yes, pause the video, comment in this section your answer, and after that continue to watch the video. And today I am going to tell you a shortcut through which you can find this angle within 2 to 3 seconds only. So you keep listening to the video till the end. So friends, we are moving towards the shortcut which I am going to say you. So friends, we are starting a new series called #shortcut, in which I will be covering shortcut for almost all the competitive examinations, and from this topic questions are directly asked in the examination. So it will cover the examination like NDA, even in CDS also these kind of questions are asked, Navy, Air Force, and many more government examinations. So here to learn the tricks, what trick says, I'll put the trick in square box so that you can study. Trick says that we need to remember one formula. This formula is universal for all the time. Whatever time it is given, you just apply this formula. Your angle will whatever answer come up after simplification, that will be the required angle. The formula is 30 into hour minus 11/2 into m in modulus. For example, if some negative value is coming after solving this, take the mod of that, and that is the required answer for your angle. So friends, for better understanding, I would take few examples by which you can understand better. So friends, our first example is find the angle between hour and minute hand at 4:30. So here what I told you, answer 30 into hour hand. So 30 into hour is how much? 4. So 30 into 4 minus 11/2 into minute is how much? 30. So 11/2 into 30 in mod. So here after simplification, 30 into 4 120 minus this will cancel for 15 times. So 11 into 15 is 165. So 120 minus 165 will become minus 45, and if we take mod of that, we will get 45 degree. So yes friends, how you got angle between the hour hand and minute hand. So here I have come up with few homework question which you can practice and try to answer these questions within stipulated time only. And these 3 questions, try to solve it within 2 to 3 seconds using the shortcut which I told it earlier. So friends, tell about the feedback of this video, how you liked, whether you enjoyed the video, and whether in future also you want this kind of video. And please suggest this channel to all your friends who are an hardcore aspirant of the examination mentioned earlier. So friends, if you are new to the channel, if you like this session, please subscribe to the channel. And thank you to all of you for tuning till the end. Jai Hind.